This has never been done before. I put 10-inch Supermoto wheels on the new Razor prospec. In my last video, I stripped it and I installed an upgraded $250 motor, $650 controller, and $1,000 battery. To my knowledge, this is the fastest electric pit bike in its class. Later today is one of the biggest ride outs of the year, and I'm taking this bad boy. But first, we're in downtown LA. Let's test out the world's first upgraded Razor prospec Supermoto. Let's jump into the highest power mode. They say it's good luck to cover your new tires in fresh geese poo. Let's try this out. See, that geese poop really sticks me to the ground nice. Wow, what a weird feeling. It's like a big Razor, or slightly bigger Razor. I got the nod from the sport bike guy. That's always nice. They ignore you usually when you're on a surron. Yes.
I know you.
What's up, dude? Haha, let's ride. How fast that thing go? 60? Let's ride, bro. Let's go to the front. Yeah, made my day. Here we go, full speed, full throttle, I mean. Woo. Plenty fast, but still solid. Like, I actually feel fine taking my hand off. Oh, I gotta slow down. That's one of the things about these mini bikes is they have no problem going fast, but boy do they have a problem slowing down fast. I can already smell the rubber burning. Let's go. Feels amazing for the wheelies. It just feels like a bigger, slightly more comfortable wheelie. I mean, Razor, although like form factor feels like that, but actually wheeling it, I think I need 12-inch wheels on here. The 10s might be a little too small. Wow, this is so fucking fun. This is a perfect size. This is a perfect size bike, but I do think the wheels, I think I'm gonna do 12-inch wheels next and see how that feels. Boy, you don't have the green. Good looks, bro. Have a good ride. Now, I mentioned briefly in one of my last videos that I passed the turn I wanted to make. Mini bike gang. Oh no! No, 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 no! I have a flat! No! 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 That's tough. Let me see if I can go to a bike shop. Probably something I ran over on the sidewalk. DTLA Bikes was dope the last time I was there. Okay, we're gonna limp over. I totally noticed when the tire went flat. It feels like you're on ice in the back. Usually I really don't recommend riding on the sidewalk. I think it's one of the few things, if we all as e-bikers don't do, we're gonna look that much better if we stay off the sidewalk. That's like the one time I did it because I had to come in the other direction. This would have been so sick to hit. Go up right there. Send it off the end to flat. Whoa, I can't go fast at all on this or else it slides out. 5-lane highways, baby. Nobody does it like LA. Almost ran into that pole. They're open, let's go. Hello. Wondering if you guys could help me out. It's just a flat, but I know it's a rare tube size, so maybe we could patch it or something.
Fortunately, we don't work in the bike like that.
Oh, okay. Do you have like a patch kit I could buy?
Yeah, sure.
And then, do you have some tools I could borrow and use them right here?
You've been here before, bro?
Thank you. Yeah, I have been here before. You guys helped us out. We had to cut a wire and we came in.
Surronster, bro.
Oh, surron. I fucking follow you, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But we stopped there before, and I just.
It says tubeless on the tire.
Oh, it does. It says it on
But
the
maybe the rim's not tubeless.
I don't know. That's weird.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a big. Oh, I can feel it. Yes. Okay, it's just a normal hole, so we can actually patch that. That's great.
Bro, you have no clue what we bet. You never get a flat. 120. They're like, they're
Down south, the cops are starting to crack down.
Yeah, they are out there. Tighten this one.
It's like a dirt bike where you got to keep the slack for when it.
No,
for the
actually.
suspension.
I made
No,
that
'cause
mistake already.
That's unreal, dude. Top down. It's like once the wheelie still.
Thank you so much.
yeah, man.
This was really a lifesaver, guys. Let's go! We got the tire back! The inner tube! I feel so free. I felt like a bird with a broken wing. I just posted on my Instagram asking if there's any questions you want to ask. The question you asked the most was about the red surron. The red Ronster that started it all is in the works. I'm rebuilding it with over 20 new upgrades. And the other thing you were asking was, how did I afford to buy my Ronster in the first place? And I am very proud to say my parents had nothing to do with it. In fact, they didn't know I had a surron or had a YouTube about it for over a year. I wasn't able to afford the surron until I was 20 years old, even though surrons were only $3,000 back then in about 2019 because nobody knew what they were. I had one of the craziest summers of my life where I made the money to buy my surron. And that is a story for another day, another video, because it's such a good story. It involves corporate fraud, Schedule 1 narcotics, iPads, a pipe bomb, and a lovely place called Kensington, Philadelphia. Those are a couple hints as to how I made the money to buy my first surron, the Ronster, which is in the process of being rebuilt. We're on our way to the biggest ride out of the year. But first we got media passes to the biggest electric expo of the year. So let's check it out. guys. Can I take a picture with you? I'm French. Love your videos.
Surronster.
Let's go. Yeah. Thanks, Jim. Where are you parking? Well, that's definitely the coolest one in the parking lot right now. Let's go check this out. This one's kind of cool too, though. Hello. I got a media pass for Surronster.
The last name? Surronster.
Surronster.
You want to take this?
I guess I'm not important enough. They don't even have it printed.
It's like, yeah, we have it right here. And then it's that big. But I'm not as big of a YouTuber as you, you know?
Can I get a picture?
Yeah, dude.
Oh my god! I like all your videos. I have a question. How you buy the bike?
Aren't you a YouTuber? I noticed you from the helmet. I'm like, wait a minute.
Can I take a picture too?
Yeah. Hey,
I got a picture.
Can I get a video?
Jackson. Good to see you, bro.
Pleasure.
What's up? What's up?
It's so crazy. Literally 3 a.m. just watching your videos of you guys last night. I'm Frank Knuckles from The Roots, man.
Hell yeah, bro.
Thank you.
Kawasaki? No way. Hey, Ben. Good to see you, bro. I'm so happy we got to see each other. You're coming to the ride later?
So the 85, I'm redoing it right now.
Oh, I wish you could have come right into this. Yes, sir.
Hey, man, pleasure. Rusty Roads.
Pleasure to meet you.
The dog's somewhere at the booth, but I How's the event going for you?
Good, dude. I'm having
What's the
a.
coolest thing you've seen?
Is there a camera?
There is. Right there.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
What's the coolest thing you've seen at the booth?
You gotta warn me, bro. What was the coolest thing?
It really is.
No, you're good. You're good. What's the coolest thing?
What's the coolest thing you've seen at the expo so far?
This is pretty cool. I like this subwoofer in the Tesla.
What about rideables like e-bikes?
The electric Kawasaki, I haven't seen that before, or the electric BMW. It's cool.
BMW is brand new. That thing is beautiful.
Yeah, it's cool to see some. Yeah, it's cool.
I'm sure I'll see it on your channel at some point.
Yeah, yeah.
On that note, what'd you ride over here today?
In my truck.
Hiding from you.
Hey! Cool. It's so good to see you. So this is a customer's car.
Customer car. He's based down in San Diego. This is the R-Speckle. Getting ready for Pikes Peak.
You're my favorite YouTuber.
Where now?
We're just gonna go straight and then turn right. Alright, here we go to the rideout on the Razor prospec. Look at this meetup.
Sorry about that.
Dude, we got a whole pack of Rons. I should have brought my surron.
New one?
Come on.
Building a new one?
Yeah, I'm building my rebuilding the red one. Razor made this bike with the intention of you upgrading it. Yeah.
Sick. I would actually run one of these over, man. This is badass.
Yeah.
On the one wheels? Let's go.
Electro code.
Yeah, exactly.
Build it yourself?
It's plug and play. My man, dude.
Hold on. Can you tell the difference? I can't.
You grew, bro. You're taller. You're not even mini Ronster anymore. You're like almost Ronster. Wow, killing it. What a build. Dude, that's awesome. Can I get a little shot of the handlebars here? On the mini. That's so cute. No way.
Fucking drill batteries made this little box.
Dude, that's amazing.
Yeah.
No way.
And we got the RC battery for the headlight.
Oh my god. That's so cute. And then you guys are matching. Can I film you? Is that alright? Such a cool setup. Oh, that's dope.
Surronster, how are you, sir?
What's up, dude?
Good, pleasure.
Let's go, come on.
Let's go, baby. Yes, come on. We're out. The pink combo. Look at this. Got the whole family on there. Yeah. 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 That's crazy. That kid's got like a God POV view right now. Just trying to cross the worst way possible. Whoa, that was close. This is one of the 2 dragster winners. The UK winner is still getting his bike at the time of editing this video. I like these free giveaways. All they had to do was comment and they won a bike. I'm going to start doing more of these. The next one I have planned is the biggest one yet. This ride out ended up getting too dark to film, but it was so fun. As always, thank you so much for watching until the end. As they do.
Yeah, I'm on